Bumpers all sprayed. Doors are done. Just got to clean the wheels. That bumper's all been done. So we're getting there. All we've got now is obviously clean the interior. A few little stains around here, and that's it. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Just thought I'd let you know what's going on with the Insignia. And at the moment the Fiat is on hold because I'm trying to sort this out because I need the space. And obviously the weather, it keeps on bloody raining, so I can't spray in the rain, can't do anything in the rain, which is bloody annoying. So anyway, thanks for watching, speak to you soon.